Experience the pinnacle of modern spa design with M Series from Bullfrog Spas. Innovation, refined luxury, elevated lines, contemporary geometry, and premium materials come together in a bold architectural presence that feels both modern and inviting. Every detail is crafted to balance beauty, comfort, and performance. The M Series surrounds you with sculpted ergonomic seating, premium lounges with generous space to stretch, unwind, and fully relax. With 4 unique layouts, each model is designed to fit a wide range of body types and therapy needs. At the heart of every M Series spa is our patented JetPak Therapy System, delivering the most personalized hydrotherapy experience available. With up to 17 interchangeable JetPaks, you choose your massage and your intensity. Adjustable headrests complement each JetPak for a fully tailored experience, while every M Series model adds an intuitive touchscreen, soothing water features, and ambient LED lighting throughout the spa and at every JetPak to elevate your experience. Because Bullfrog spas use significantly less plumbing and larger, more direct water pathways, each JetPak delivers a noticeably more powerful massage. And since the jets sit inside the warm spa water, not behind the spa wall, Bullfrog spas retain heat more effectively, making the M Series one of the most energy-efficient luxury spas available. Every M Series spa is engineered for longevity, built on our strong ABS base and EnduraFrame construction. These precision-molded composite structures are completely wood-free and metal-free, so you won't need to worry about rot, rust, or corrosion. Just reliable performance, year after year. A spa this advanced deserves equally advanced water care. Every M Series spa features our Simplicity Total Water Care System, a 3-stage approach built around our patented flat filter and high capture housing designed for maximum surface area use, unmatched debris removal, and effortless maintenance. Paired with the Frog at Ease system or granular chlorine, your everyday water care stays clean and fresh. For the ultimate in water clarity and oxidation, the M Series comes standard with premium AOP by Clear Comfort, designed to maximize the powerful effects of oxygen to keep your water sparkling day after day. The M Series, the elite class of Bullfrog spas. Modern design, intelligent engineering, personalized hydrotherapy crafted for those who expect more.